We're Heather and Yain, and we discovered van life in Portugal in 2019, where we road tripped the south coast. A year later, having our honeymoon cancelled was a perfect excuse to buy Big Red. We've loved our adventure so much, we're taking the leap with our first full van conversion from scratch. Far from seamless, every day is a new challenge, and today that challenge is finding where our new windows have been delivered to. To follow all of the ups and downs on this mad journey, subscribe below. At the end of our last video, we were getting frustrated with the condensation problem that we've been having in the van. So we're doing our best effort now to get it insulated and all the external fittings in so we can get it fully watertight. But if you have any suggestions at all about condensation and how you battle that in your conversion, we would love to hear them and love to lean on this community for support. So please comment below.
Boom. Insulation can go in on this wall. Ding 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 ding.
Into bed. Come on. Yes, I gotta go and get some windows. You gotta go to bed. Come on. Come on, Trouble. Good girl. Good girl. Rosie, how's them babies doing, huh? How's them babies? One little ball of floof. See you guys later. We ran into a bit of a problem. Do you remember those windows that we ordered a little bit ago? Well, they said they've arrived, but they are not here. And Yain got a funny phone call earlier today saying, is that Yain Jones? I seem to have had a parcel delivered here for you. And it's somewhere that we used to live about 3 years ago now. And luckily it's quite close to where we are now. I'll take you along. This boy's unbelievable. Took off, left the shed door open, up there, that's our driveway, and left all this open as well. Madness. Okay, so this is where our windows have been delivered to. Up in there, that's where they are. There is Mr. Yain Jones himself. Clean shaven. You won't have seen him clean shaven in any of our videos so far. So, post lady Lynn went through a mad roundabout circle trying to track down who owned this parcel, finding out the contact details, finding out the names, etc. Probably took her a whole morning, so cheers Lynn, did us a solid. And we're off to get these fitted. Okay, so I've just arrived in B&Q for the second time today, because I don't think we've got any Sikaflex at home. So I'm gonna pop in and pick some up. And hopefully only come out with Sikaflex because I can't afford anything else at the moment. Let's do it! Now I'm out of here. Lynn was so funny.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Yeah, so we'll Sikaflex this part in, and then we've got these little, we can put little screws on the outside as well.
Yeah, screw and Sikaflex, the whole thing. Super easy though. Yeah, let's put them in, baby.
Let's put them in, baby, let's get some windows. In the windows.
To the wall. Yeehaw.
We weren't close to hitting with someone else's car, but...
Is there someone else's car
We
there?
weren't far. There's a car right there, and that could have been really bad. But we've got a window.
Not but the real test is, does it fit?
Let's see.
Speedy mama, let's go. Heather's in a rush because she's got to go pick up her sister. Let's see, well, I'll test it without you. Right, you got it?
Well, she fit.
It's actually from the wrong side, but should be fine. How good's your measuring? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. So, camera's been off for an hour or so because we were charging it up. She died, but we have some success. So, I think the last thing we showed you was Heather trying to fit her window. Well, I have now Secaflexed that in, so that is sealed up and in. We had to do a couple of alterations, but that's done. And I have just cut the other hole, ready to fit this one. And I need to make just a couple of alterations, which I've drawn on. So once I've done that now, mainly the top was a little bit short, so I'm going to trim that up now. Hopefully my window fits in, and I'll Secaflex that one in theory just before it gets dark. That'd be good. Right, bye. Got a window in just before it got dark. She's in. I just need to go around and Secaflex all around the outsides now, but I can stick the light on inside because I got the plugs and stuff in there, so I'll stick the light on and I can finish that off. Whew. Mission impossible. Completed it. 2 windows, ready for installation. Van's looking pretty good. I'm happy, but pretty knackered today, / all week, been grafting. But next week, I've got a nice week off, so you're going to see a different video. Well, different channel. Heather will be editing these. I'm doing my smoking barrels video, so I'm going up to Orkney to shoot some geese. So that should be fun. Right, let's get this window finished. Maybe throw some insulation in here. Woohoo! Alrighty, it's now almost 7:30, but I'm finished for the day, definitely. The windows are in. Check them out. Put the lights on now because it is pitch black here. Okay. Our windows in, all the battens are in ready for installation. Pretty much the same with this side. I've got a couple of bits to put in here. That's about it really. And the window back in this side as well. So we've got window, door, and then up here we're going to have a roof light, and then up here we're going to have a max fan, so there should be loads of ventilation to keep this thing from steaming up. Don't know if you can tell or not, but I am well and truly knackered. I've been cranking away at this all day because I wanted to get loads done, because like I said, I'm not going to be here next week, and Heather's got her sister over, so she's not going to be doing anything next week. So we're missing a week of van building. The week I get back, it will be all go, all systems go. Insulation in, electrics can start going in. Once the insulation and cladding's down, then we can start framing things out, start actually putting cool stuff in. So it's pretty exciting. It's pretty good fun as well. Right. See ya probably next week. Whoop-ow.